How to make money on YouTube in 2022. Introduction: What is YouTube and how does it work? YouTube is a video sharing website which allows users to upload, view and share videos. Users can create their own channels on YouTube. They can also subscribe to other channels and explore the content uploaded by other users in these channels. Videos are uploaded by users and are then rated by other users, who give them an up or down vote. YouTube has more than 1 billion unique visitors every month. How to monetize YouTube channel. In this section, we will discuss the various monetization models that are available to YouTubers. 1. YouTube Red. YouTube Red is a paid service that gives you the ability to watch YouTube without ads, download videos for offline viewing, and get exclusive access to original content from YouTube's top creators. It costs $9.99 per month and has been around since October 2015. 2. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is an advertising service that allows you to generate income from your videos by placing ads on them. The more views your videos get, the more money you can make from them with Google AdSense ads. It's not a free service and it does take some time for your channel to start making money with it because of: how much money can you make from YouTube? YouTube is a popular video sharing website that allows people to upload videos and share them with the rest of the world. It was created in 2005 by 3 former PayPal employees. There are many ways to make money from YouTube, but one of the most popular ways is through advertisements. Advertisers will pay you for every view your video gets, usually around 30 cents per view. You also get a cut of the money that advertisers spend on their ads on your channel, and you can earn money from YouTube Red subscriptions, which is YouTube's ad-free service that costs $9.99 per month. You can also make money from YouTube by creating sponsored videos or collaborating with brands to create promotional content for their products or services in exchange for payment or free products/services. YouTube for brands and businesses. YouTube is a video sharing website, which offers a variety of content including vlogs, personal videos, and professionally produced videos. YouTube is an excellent way for brands and businesses to reach their audience. YouTube has more than 800 million active users per month. It's an excellent opportunity for brands to connect with their audience on a personal level through video content. YouTube also offers the ability to generate revenue through ads or brand sponsorships. YouTube is used by brands and businesses in many ways. Increasing brand awareness. Showcase products. Drive traffic to websites or stores.